In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with a QR code on Wise with this step-by-step guide for 2025. Let's dive right in and make this process simple and easy for you, ensuring that every transaction you make using your Wise app is smooth and secure. To get started, open the Wise app on your mobile device and log into your account. If you haven't logged in yet, enter your credentials to gain access. It's crucial to make sure your app is up to date for the best experience, as updates often contain important security features and app improvements. Once you've logged in, navigate to the Cards tab. Here, you'll find the handy option to pay with QR code. This feature is designed for ease and speed, allowing you to make payments without fuss. Tap on this option to start the process. Next, you'll see the Scan QR code option. Tap on that and your phone's camera will activate, ready to scan a QR code. If you've been sent a QR code through an image or screenshot, you also have the capability to import it directly from your photos. This is especially useful for online transactions or when QR codes are provided through digital platforms. Now, with your camera active, point it steadily at the merchant's QR code. There are various types of QR codes out there, including those like Pay Now in Singapore or a Wise QR, so make sure you're scanning the correct one provided by the merchant to avoid any confusion. The app should automatically recognize and capture the QR code, so steady your device and in a blink it will read the details it needs. Following the successful scan, the app will display the payment details. It's important to take a moment to review these carefully, ensuring everything matches what you were expecting. Once you've confirmed these details, you'll need to choose the currency balance from which you wish to pay. This flexibility is one of the many strengths of using Wise, as it allows you to manage and pay from different currency balances seamlessly. After choosing your currency balance, the next step is to authorize this payment. Depending on your device's settings, you might be prompted to enter your PIN, use your fingerprint, or utilize Face ID. This is an essential security measure that ensures only you can approve transactions from your account. Finally, for peace of mind, it's a good practice to verify that the transaction appears in your Wise transaction history. Not only does this confirm that the payment was completed successfully, but it also helps you keep track of all expenses at a glance. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough of using the Wise app to pay with a QR code. With these steps, it's simple and safe, bringing convenience right at your fingertips. Thank you for watching, and happy paying.